In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive CRM for real estate agents. If you're a real estate professional looking to streamline your business processes and enhance your client relationships, Pipedrive can be a game changer. Let's dive right into setting it up and getting the most out of this powerful tool. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pipedrive website. Once there, look for the option to start a free trial. This trial allows you to explore the platform's features and see how it fits your business needs without making an immediate financial commitment. Once you've initiated your trial, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information about your company and yourself. This is an important step because it helps tailor the Pipedrive experience to suit your specific needs, making the platform more intuitive and effective right from the start. Now, let's set up your sales pipelines. Think about the typical stages your real estate deals go through, from the initial lead generation all the way to closing. These pipelines help in keeping track of where each deal stands, ensuring you never miss a follow-up. To manage your clients effectively, it's crucial to organize your contacts. Classify them by their roles, such as buyers, sellers, landlords, or investors. This segmentation helps in tailoring your interactions and provides more clarity in managing your different business segments. Next, it's time to import your existing contact list, along with any leads and deal information, into Pipedrive. This ensures you have all the data you need in one central location, making it accessible and manageable. Managing new leads efficiently is key to your success. Use the lead inbox to keep track of incoming leads, and when you're ready, convert them into full-fledged deals. Make sure to assign these deals to the appropriate stages of your sales pipeline to maintain an organized flow. One of the great advantages of using Pipedrive is its automation capabilities. Automate repetitive tasks, such as sending welcome emails or setting up new tasks automatically when a deal progresses. This not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency in your processes. Creating personalized email templates is another feature you'll want to utilize. Incorporate merge tags to automatically include your leads' names and property details, making your communications feel personal and customized. Integration is key for a seamless experience. Connect Pipedrive with your IDX websites, property listing platforms, email service providers, and tools like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. This will sync your workflows and keep all your data interconnected. Finally, to ensure you're on track with your goals, frequently use Pipedrive's visual dashboards and custom reports. They provide insights into key metrics, win rates, and team performance, allowing you to identify areas for improvement and track your business growth effectively. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on setting up and using Pipedrive CRM for your real estate business. Now you're ready to improve your client management and streamline your processes. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.